Hello friends, welcome to my channel Money Gyani. I am Rakesh Runthala. Today we are going to talk on issues of fiscal finance planning with some goals. Whenever we set out some goals to achieve, we need to have some good financial planning. That financial planning that in emergency, whenever we need cash or any amount, bigger or smaller, we need to have it at our disposal at the moment. So suppose we start with a savings of say 10,000 per month. In a year it becomes say around 1,20,000. So what I suggest is say 20% cash you need to keep with you. So 20% of 1,20,000 is around 25,000. And 40% has to be invested in liquid instruments, say bank deposits, post office deposits, and mutual funds, which you can encash within a week maximum. And 40% of the 1,20,000 amount should be invested in direct equity, which I have been saying in the last my videos. So if we do our financial planning with our savings in a proper way, we can have our goals fulfilled. So now we come to our section of stock picks. So my first stock today is Bank of Maharashtra. This is a PSU bank which have got a spread in the western part of India, say Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka. When some of the banks were put into preventive action by the government, this was one of the bank. But in the recent quarters, it has reported very robust numbers with good net profit realization. The government holding is around 90% above. And I am putting a target price of 35 to 40 rupees with an investment horizon of 1 year to 2 years. This is a very good pick among the PSUs, and if you stay invested for a good period of time, you will be getting very good returns with sometimes dividend also. If you look at the past returns, this stock has been recommended right from the value of 10 rupees when it was hovering around 1 to 2 years back. And it has reached a peak high of more than 30 rupees in the recent months. It has been dragged to this level just to have the confusion among the investors that the bank could be considered for a merger. So hold it and wait for the time to come. And so my next stock pick for today is IRCON, IRCON, with a prevailing price of 43 rupees as of today. This is into Indian Railway construction business, and this company has got a EPS of 23 with a book value of 221 rupees with a face value of 2 rupees. So with a book value of 221 rupees, you can very well assess that the company has got very much space to go up from these levels. The sector PE means in this sector the price earning ratio is around 43. So on a EPS 23, I recommend the stock for a target price of double from here, say around 80 rupees to 90 rupees. More about this company is, in this year it has paid a bonus of 1:1. That means 1 upon 1 share free. It's a steady dividend paying company. You can see from the records. The equity is merely 94 crores for such a big company, and they have the reserves of more than 4,000 crores. That means the reserves against the equity gives a very good book value of 221 rupees. If you look at the sales and the revenues, in 2017 they had the revenues around 3,000 crores, which has risen to 5,300 crores in 2021. As you can see and very well know that it's a government holding company, and the government holds around 73% of the equity. On top of it, it's a nearly debt-free company. It has got very small debts. So go for this stock and realize your targets within an investment period of 1 to 2 years. So now it's the time to wind up my video. Hope you will like the stocks and invest into it to get good returns. Kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any queries, you can contact the number given in the description box. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay safe, stay healthy.